Introduction to Syncing Apple Calendar.
This makes it easy to keep your schedule up to date across all your Apple devices. Whether you have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, calendar events can be seamlessly updated and accessed anywhere. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure smooth synchronization, so you never miss an appointment or meeting.
Setting up iCloud on your devices.
To begin, make sure iCloud is set up on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad, tap your name, then tap iCloud. On your Mac, open System Settings and select your Apple ID, then iCloud. Sign in with the same Apple ID on all devices to link your calendars.
Enabling calendar sync in iCloud.
Next, ensure that calendar syncing is enabled. On each device in the iCloud settings, find the toggle switch for calendars and turn it on. This allows all your calendar events to be stored in iCloud and automatically updated across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac.
Creating and editing events across devices.
That's how you create or edit events on one device. For example, add an appointment on your iPhone's calendar app. Within moments, you should see the update reflected on your iPad and Mac. The same works for changes made on any sync device, keeping your schedule consistent everywhere.
Troubleshooting common sync issues.
If your calendars are not syncing, check your internet connection and ensure all devices are logged in with the same Apple ID. Make sure calendar syncing is toggled on in each device's iCloud settings. Sometimes restarting your device or signing out and back into iCloud can resolve stubborn issues.
Benefits of calendar syncing.
Syncing Apple Calendar lets you access your appointments and reminders anywhere, helps avoid scheduling conflicts, and saves time. Automatic updates across devices mean you're always prepared, whether you're at your desk or on the go. With everything in sync, managing your schedule becomes simple and reliable.